Now start working on the single crochet increase SC ink. A single crochet increase means working 2 single crochets SC into the same stitch. For detailed steps, please refer to the video demonstration. Once you finish 1 single crochet increase SC ink, there will be 2 V-shaped single crochets SC in the same stitch. Now let work 1 single crochet SC. We will see only 1 V-shaped single crochet SC in 1 stitch H. Then work 1 single crochet increase SC ink. Let's create 2 single crochets SC in the same stitch.